friends, welcome to Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about operators in C++. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Okay, so there are different type of operators available in C++. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So we are going to see all the types of operators in upcoming videos. So let's first understand the basic definition of operators. As we have seen, they are used to perform operations on variables and values. So here I have a basic .cpp file. Here I have included iostream using namespace standard. Inside the main function I have written 0. Now let's first do the operation on the values. Let's say I have declared one variable of type int. Let's name it as x, or let's say number. So this is my variable, and now I am trying to assign the value to this variable as 10. Now when I try to print this variable, what the output will be? 10, right? But let's say I want to increase the value from 10 to 20. So let's say I add 10 again. So instead of 20, I have provided this particular expression 10 plus 10. What it will do? It will print the value as 20, right? So basically this is a operator. So this operator is performing operation on the value. So basically 10 and this 10 is a value, and this operator is performing operation on these two values. So it can be anything. It can be plus, it can be minus, any arithmetic operator. Okay, so we are going to see this in detail, but let's stick with addition here. And if I try to print it, cout, then the insertion operator, and then I'm trying to print the value in number. If I save this code and try to run it, we got the output as 20. So the operation has been performed on this value. So basically whenever the operation is performed, these values are called as operand, and this is called as operator. Okay, we have also seen operator are used to perform operations on variables. Okay, we have seen on values, now we will see on variables. Now let's say we have only this particular statement here, int number. Let's say this is number 1 is equal to 10. Let's have another number also, int number 2 is equal to 5. So these are my two numbers. Now I need to perform the operation on the variables. So let's say I have one more variable, or instead of that I can directly say here cout number 1 multiply by number 2. So now what will happen? This is an operator, this is a multiplication operator, right? And these are my variables, number 1 and number 2. Now the operation is being performed on these variables, number 1 and number 2. And if I try to print it, I will get the output as 50. See, we got the output as 50 here. So we can also declare one more variable here. Let's say int result, we can say the variable name, and we can perform the operation here, number 1 in the operator and the number 2. And then we can print, instead of number 1 into number 2, I can print here result. Even if I run this code, we will get the same output, which is 50 here. Also, instead of providing a variable here, I can also directly provide a value. Let's say I want to multiply number 1 with 9 and store it inside a variable called result. So number 1 is 10. So 10 into 9, it will print as 90. Let me save the code first. Let's run it now. Yeah, so we got the output as 90. So you can perform different operation here. Instead of multiplication, you can do addition, subtraction, all the operators. So we are going to see in detail arithmetic operators in the next video.